Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, thanks for joining me here again at Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw an anatomical heart. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with a shape, kind of a funny little weird shape. We're going to come on down, kind of curve a little bit here. Come on up. Just kind of a blobby shape is what I'm starting with. But you can see I left a nice bit of room up here. We're gonna add some stuff up here. So around like the middle-ish of my blobby shape, I'm going to come on up a bit, but not straight, I'm curving a bit. And then we can have like a little hill coming up and down, and then come on over this way. And we're gonna have a little hole here, almost like we're making like a macaroni noodle. And then we'll come on back to right here. So next I'm gonna draw a little slant here. And then that is going to lead into one of our like veins. So it kind of looks like a tree branch. It's gonna just kind of branch off into these little arms. And it doesn't have to look exactly like what I'm drawing. You can see it always reminded me of like a tree branch. All right, so now I'm going to do another one like underneath what we just did. Coming on under and out right here, and another bit over here. And I'm going to do another little branch. And now I'm going to do some over here. And you can make them like wiggly or have more like branching arms. It's up to you. And do another one. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another kind of a blobby shape. So I'm going to kind of make a wrinkly line here. Now on top of that, we're going to add some kind of like little noodle things again. So we've got like almost like a little pipe, I guess. That's probably a better name for it than a macaroni noodle. So we have like these little, I guess, tubes. I'm definitely not using the correct terminology. All right, so now right here, let's come on up. I kind of wiggled here. And now I'm going this way. And this is where it would, I guess, connect it to some other stuff in your body. So we're gonna kind of end our little tube right here though, because we're not drawing everything. Bring this on down. And we're gonna have another kind of a series of tubes right here. So we're gonna do one and another one and another one right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. And now this part, curving it over here, and I'm gonna make a curve right here so that this part, just kind of poking through it like that. And that is it for my drawing, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you had a really good day, and I hope to see you back here for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.